Hey everybody, it's Taco Tuesday on a Friday. And if you got that reference, then you're gonna love these tacos. So these are the tacos my mom makes and they're super yummy. This is my dad's favorite dish that my mom makes, so we hope you guys enjoy too. So first you're gonna start off with onion in a pot and you're going to cook that and you're going to add your ground beef as well. And then you're going to add a couple of spices and things. So first you're going to add, not spice, you're gonna add a bell pepper. And my mom uses a bunch of different colors. Honestly, I feel like they all taste the same, but maybe the fact that they're different colors, it tricks my brain into thinking like, wow, like there's so much flavor. I don't know. You guys should let us know what you think about the peppers. But then you're going to add 4 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And I wonder, taco seasoning probably has its own bunch of spices in it, but we just buy from the supermarket, but that's fine. Taco seasoning is great. Let that cook a little bit. Then you're going to start preparing your add-ons. So first you're gonna finely chop some lettuce to nice little pieces like that. She's just doing it one way, just vertically. Watch some satisfying lettuce cutting. Very nice. Good job, Mom. And then you're going to make your avocados look like flour. And you're gonna start cutting everything else. You're gonna make your onion, half of an onion to be exact. Oh wait, no, this is the guacamole. You're done making your add-ons. This is guacamole, that's right. Then you're going to cut some tomato, also into the fine pieces like you just did the onion. And some cilantro. Dude, cilantro and parsley look the same. All of these like green things look the same. I don't know. I feel like they taste the same too, to be completely honest with you. But that's fine. Also add some parsley. So I guess it's fine if you mix them too, because they're both going to the dish anyways. Then you're going to get your avocados. Make sure these are ripe. The way that my mom always told me to check is if you press the little nub at the top, where the stem was, if you're able to press it in easily, that means that the avocado is ripe. But if you're not able to press it in easily, it needs a little bit more time. So obviously, you can look at it. If it smushes in your hand, it should probably be ripe. But if you want like a cool way, like, oh, do you know this cool way that I can test it? Yeah, you can just press that in. And then you're going to obviously cut and mash all your avocado. And then you can add that to the bowl that you had everything else in. You just need to mix it. In addition to some salt and lemon, I believe. Yep, that's right. And then, yeah, mix that all up. And then some additional add-ons we like to put are cheddar cheese and sour cream. Oh, I didn't know she put that on the meat. That's cool. And then you assemble it. Yeah, you can assemble it. So we like to add meat and then the what's she doing? Oh, sorry, hot sauce. That's right. Hot sauce, guacamole, and sour cream. And honestly, my dad loves the hard shells, but I like eating it in a tortilla, so I guess that becomes a burrito at that point, not really a taco, but yeah, I like eating it in a quesadilla. But the hard shell is fun too sometimes. Also, what the heck is he doing? The sour cream literally goes on before the lettuce. I don't know what he's doing. Anyways, whatever, eat that. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed these tacos, and let us know what day you usually have your tacos, because we never have them on Tuesday. Bye!